रूमी द पोएट, उनका एक बहुत ही फेमस कोट है, व्हाट यू सीक इज सीकिंग यू, बट व्हाट इफ what you're seeking is a seek kebab, then Rumi restaurant is your answer. Super Hits 93.5 Red FM पर this is Red Adda. मेरा नाम है प्रिया and today in the studio with me I've got Mr. Rajneesh, who is the co-founder of Rumi Restaurant. Sir, how are you today? Thank you so much for coming to our studio.
I'm very good and very excited to be here in the Red FM studios. This is the first time in any radio studio for me, and I like doing things which are different every day, and very, very excited actually to see the whole setup. We've been listening to your show and other RJs from Red FM.
Okay, speaking of trying something different, you have a restaurant named as Rumi. Why is the name Rumi?
So, of course, Rumi the poet is very close to my heart, and all
I
of
could
us
tell.
love him. And food is also a love for all of us, who love food. So that was one of the drivers. But more than that, there's a Rumi gate in Lucknow, if you know of the place.
Yeah.
And that Rumi Darwaza is basically, it's a symbol of the Awadh region. So whenever you see something that represents the Awadh region mostly is the Rumi Darwaza, and therefore Rumi, and we have got kind of impressions of that throughout the restaurants as well.
How is Awadhi cuisine different from other North Indian cuisines या फिर Mughlai cuisine?
So Awadhi cuisine is a kind of variant of Mughlai cuisine. It comes from the Nawabi lineage, whereas the Mughlai, as the name suggests, comes from Mughals. So
Right.
Nawabs had two things which were very rich with them. Obviously, they had a lot of money, lots of them, and lots
Yeah.
of time.
Yeah.
So when you have lot of money and lot of time, we have a saying in Urdu. It says, खुदा जब हुस्न देता है नज़ाकत आ ही जाती है.
ओए होए 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 होए.
तो आपके पास जब बेतहाशा दौलत और बेशुमार टाइम हो,
Yeah.
तो आप बहुत फाइन चीजें बनाने लगोगे.
True that.
So my understanding is that Awadhi cuisine is very, very fine, very, very flavorful. It has spices but very less. But the whole emphasis is more on the richness of the food, the ingredients and the flavors.
Right.
So if you have a biryani, Awadhi biryani, or any mutton galoti kebab, if it is there in the room, in the other room also, you can smell it very nicely, and the aroma is so nice. So I think that's where the difference between Awadhi and Mughlai cuisine is there.
Okay, so on this note, we'll take a small pause over here. We'll come back shortly and continue the conversation. लेकिन तब तक, if you have a particular dish that you absolutely love, कोई अवधी cuisine है, तो मुझे जरूर बताना 9880935935 पर. बजाते रहो. In conversation with me is Mr. Rajneesh, who is the co-founder of Rumi Restaurant. We were having a conversation about dishes to try. Yeah, so we'll get back to that. Super Hits 93.5 Red FM पर this is Red Adda मेरे यानी प्रिया के साथ. And sir, tell me this. What is that one must-try dish? क्योंकि अभी मुझे भूख लगने लगी है. I will probably go snack. तो आप मुझे बताओ, what is that one dish that we must try from Rumi Restaurant?
So we've been trying this dish for the last 6 months, 1 year to replicate it. So this is typically a old world charm kind of a thing, 60s, 70s, 80s. If you travel in railways in let's say Lucknow, Varanasi, that region, they used to serve this railway mutton curry on this railway stations. And in the pantry car as well.
Yeah.
So that is called a railway mutton curry. It is very aromatic, very flavorful, very different also. And we have something called a khamiri roti, which is a sourdough bread. And it is fabulous with that,
तो उस combination को you would recommend the most that people must try.
100%.
अच्छा, अभी मीठे के शौकीन, if you're listening to me, here's the question just for you. Sir, tell us about something meetha that we can try.
Without doubt, it has to be firni.
Firni?
Firni.
Okay.
Because we call it Shahi firni.
Shahi firni.
I mean, if you taste firni, we serve it in a mud pot. So
मटके में.
मटके में छोटा सा मटका है.
छोटा मटका, okay.
So we serve it in that. So first of all, it takes that earthiness of that kullad.
Yeah.
And then when you taste it, it looks like you are having something with milk or khoya.
Yeah.
But that is a very small component. When I tell people, it's made basically from rice.
Oh,
So
firni
it's
is made
rice
from rice.
pudding with some khoya in it. after the meal, it is a perfect thing to have. Even
Nice.
if you don't take too much sweet, because a lot of people are avoiding sweets these
Yeah,
days.
diet conscious.
So we have gulab jamun, which is a more indulgent thing.
Yeah.
But if somebody asks me that which one to go for, I will definitely go for firni. It is very nice.
I mean, if we've come all the way to try Awadhi cuisines, why would somebody want to have gulab jamun and walk away? We would rather have firni, right?
Yeah, and after that, I would definitely recommend pan.
Pan, okay,
Because
yes.
पान के बिना तो अवधि खाना कंप्लीट ही नहीं होगा ना.
That's true, that's
मुकम्मल
true.
कैसे होगा आपका खाना?
अच्छा, तो ऐसे कुछ special variants of pan also?
Variants, we have a very simple meetha pan.
Yeah.
It's a simple magai pan, meetha pan.
Yeah.
But everybody loves it.
So okay, आज नहीं तो कल आपके लंच का प्लान मैं बना के देती हूँ. गो टू रूमी रेस्टोरेंट 12th मेन इंदिरा नगर. यू हैव टू ट्राई द मटन गलौटी कबाब. उसके बाद यू हैव टू ट्राई द अवधी बिरयानी, द रेलवे मटन करी. डिजर्ट के लिए गेट योर फिरनी एंड लास्ट में पान जरूर खा के जाना. बाकी दिस इज सुपर हिट्स 93.5 रेड एफएम. माय नेम इज प्रिया एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Priya. It was lovely talking to you. Wonderful. And all the best to all the listeners of your show. And
Yeah.
do come to Rumi. We are waiting. Thank
Yep,
you. Thank
get
you.
your lunch today at Rumi Restaurant, Indira Nagar. बजाते रहो.